The Secure Vehicle Interface, or SVI, can work together with open platforms and cloud services to provide direct, secure, and equitable access to vehicle data. SVI provides the security, while open platforms and cloud services provide the user applications. SVI employs the same security hardware architecture and authentication as those utilized for vehicle-to-vehicle communications. Together, SVI and open platforms and cloud services work together for safe, secure, and fair access to vehicle data. Just think of SVI as an ATM card. Your card, plus your PIN, allow secure access to your money and information. Now, think of the open platform and cloud services as an ATM. The ATM provides the user interface and provides the means for banks to implement their unique user applications. Using the correct card with the correct bank account and correct PIN allows access to your money and account information. Authorization is implemented using digital security certificates. Now, how can this technology be applied to vehicle data access? With SVI, the same digital certificate architecture and infrastructure is utilized to access vehicle data. With the proper authorization and certification, aftermarket tools and applications can safely and securely access vehicle data. SVI provides open platforms and cloud services with a standardized, secure vehicle interface for commercial applications. Without SVI, open platforms and cloud services must deal with the manufacturer's proprietary security implementations and non-standardized data formats. This increases the costs and creates inefficiencies by requiring different versions of applications for each vehicle manufacturer. Extended vehicle puts vehicle manufacturers in charge of the consumer's vehicle data and stifles competition and innovation. SVI provides a safe, secure, standardized foundation for open platforms and cloud services to access vehicle data. Working together as a team, we can assemble the best solutions for the automotive aftermarket and our consumers.